one outfit that is forever green, fashion forward and fits every occasion, starting from your workplace to maybe dining out or clubbing with your friends. Hi everyone, this is Shweta welcoming you all to my channel Styling Hub. Hope you all are doing wonderful. As I mentioned earlier, today's video is only about jeans and jeans. And I'm going to wear two pair of jeans today, and I'll share with you certain tips to accessorize and how to pair it for carrying it for various purposes, different occasions. So here we go. To start with, it is my workplace look. So I have clubbed a pair of jeans with a white shirt. We can club jeans with any plain shirt to give it a semi-formal look. With it I'm wearing a pearl neck piece and pearl earrings. I can wear this with black heels or white heels as well. Because my belt is black, I could have worn black heels, but today I'm in a mood to carry white. In a way, why? Because this white heels of mine is a block heel and it is more comfortable for a workplace because I have to move around. Wearing pencil heels is tiring for me. Those who are comfortable carrying pencil heel for hours can definitely go ahead with that. To complement my black belt, I'm carrying a black handbag. So you can have an idea how perfect a pair of jeans could look for your workplace as well. So for a semi-formal look, we should always choose plain shirts. We should avoid checks, prints. Here we go.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like.
So this second look of mine is again for my workplace, wherein I'm wearing a full sleeves V-neck shirt. Again it is plain because I want to carry a semi-formal look. To add up a little swag, I've rolled up the sleeves. If you can notice, I'm not wearing the neck piece now, the pearl neck piece that I was wearing, because instead of neck piece I'm going to carry a scarf with a V-neck t-shirt. So I'm carrying a blue scarf today. See, I'll show you how it looks. Earrings are the same. I'm wearing the same white watch, same heels. You can always wear fawn, black and white as I told you. I feel scarf is anyhow a must because when AC gets too cold, scarf is the savior for you. Believe me. So here comes my second office look. I think it looks really nice.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me.
So today I plan to leave my office early because I want to step out for shopping. So the pair of jeans, a t-shirt is perfect for shopping. Just that to comfort my feet, I have kept a pair of juttis always in my car. So I'm going to change my footwear to juttis. To loosen up a bit, I'm pulling out my t-shirt. Then I'll tie up a high pony or maybe a bun, whichever way I feel comfortable, or you can decide on that. See, I'm all set for the shopping with the sling bag on because office bag is not very convenient to carry all along. So I always prefer sling bag, that is more convenient, light in weight, because you otherwise also end up having a lot of shopping bags. So another shopping look of the day is with the same pair of jeans. I am wearing a loose big t-shirt. The fact is this t-shirt doesn't even belong to me. This is my husband's tee that I am wearing. Wanted something loose. Along with looking cool, I also want to look smart. So what I have done is I have tucked in my t-shirt. Now I'll use a belt. Another tip to make your casual t-shirt more stylish is to give 1 or 2 folds on the sleeves like this. Do wear a sporty watch with it. Now just with a pair of your favorite kids, you are ready to step out for shopping with your sporty casual look. So nothing very expensive you are wearing, you're very casual, you're just carrying a sling bag because it is hot outside. I always like wearing these caps. Adding on this cap, sport shoes, sling bag, and maybe your sunglasses, you would look wow. What say? Have a look and let me know.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. summer's day.
So my next look is coffee with Karan. Oops, coffee with my friends. So I have a plan to go out for coffee with my friends. So I'm wearing a flare jeans for this with black ganji. Because my ganji is black, I have complemented it with black belt and black heels. I'm wearing a gold long chain, gold big hoops, and I'm carrying a clutch with it. And my watch is also gold. So all together it looks very chic. Maybe to make it more dressy, I am wearing a shrug with it. It is a without sleeve peach colored shrug. It is in a way also adding more color to your outfit. Grabbing my clutch again, you can have a look. That's how it looks.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met.
Here comes my dinner look. As I'm going out for dinner with my family, I'm wearing the same flare jeans with a satin shirt, a turquoise neck piece and a turquoise bracelet. My clutch is there, and do not forget to wear heels. I'm wearing black heels to complement my black belt. Heels are always necessary to make your outfit look more formal and sexier. All set for dinner date or family dinner. So my last look of the day is to party. So I'm going out clubbing. As I mentioned earlier that I'm going to wear only 2 pair of jeans in this video. There's a slight correction. Here I'm wearing a third black jeans. So it is a straight black jeans that I have paired with a shimmery gold top, and I'm all set for the evening with gold big hoops and a gold watch, a clutch. Now with this you can club gold heels, fawn heels, or black heels. I'm wearing fawn heels because they are pumps with kitten heels. I don't want to wear pencil heels because that's not very feasible for a club, and I know myself, I dance like crazy. So kitten heels are very convenient, though it gives you sexier look, it adds up to your dress, and yet you are very comfortable to dance. Here we go, have a look by yourself.
Can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the